Hey bass takers, it's Tutorial Tuesday and you know what that means. The last couple of weeks I've been talking about how to get the most out of your practicing time. So today I want to show you something on the bass, something practical, something fun that you can apply all these newly gained techniques and methods to. So here we go. Here's a little slap rudiment that I came up with practicing the double thumb technique. And the concept is pretty easy, but it'll take you some time to get adjusted to the motoric skills. So perfect time for you to apply all this newly gained knowledge. Let's check it out. What I'm doing, I'm just gonna play it for you first. So here's the rudiment. How did I do this? What's the idea behind it? It's actually just triads. So for example, let's say we are in E minor. What I'm playing here, the shape that I'm playing, is basically just the first inversion of the E minor triad. The E minor triad in its original form being E, G, B. So what I'm doing is I'm just flipping it around. The bass note, bottom note, goes all the way on the top. Play the octave. And the G and the B, they kind of move to the A and the D string. And I have my triad now with the third in the bass. Then for the right hand, playing the open A string, tapping down on the G, coming up with my thumb again on the A string, again the G. Then I pluck with my index finger the B on the D string, and then I pluck the E on the G string. Make it a 6-note phrase. I tap with my little finger the 12th fret of the G string, which is just another octave of the G, the minor third of E. And that's it. If you want to move this whole pattern, this obviously is a minor triad. And depending on what style of music you want to do, maybe that's all you need. But you can easily transform this into a major pattern. So for example, if we stay in E and just say, okay, we out of minor, make a major, then all we have to do is move this third half a step up. Then we have the major third of E. Back to minor. Major. Alright, enjoy, have fun, and see you next week. Love and bass. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, I've got a new one coming up on YouTube every single week. So subscribe to this channel or go all in. Book a free trial lesson with a link in the description. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Love and bass.